My name is Maria Machado and I am the owner of Flower Event Planning. Today I wanted to show you how to make a fast and easy boutonniere today. Subscribe to my channel and I will begin this one right now. What do you need for this easy peasy boutonniere? Just a couple of flowers for the flowers that you already have for the centerpieces and for the bouquets. I have one rose, I have a couple of ranunculos, I have another one, I have 3 pieces of this one, a little bit of greenery, and one more piece, okay? Now we need to Now with the rose, we need to cut here. I always do this one with my roses. You need a piece of wire. Insert over here. And after that, you will have this piece like this. Okay, this is for my rose. I am not going to do it for the other ones because I want this part to show the boutonniere. But let's begin. You begin with the greenery. I used to do that. I begin with my greenery, with my bag. I'm going to place this one because this talking to me like she wants to see another flower. I'm going to put my rose over here. Let's see. I'm going to put my rose over here. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, but you have to be patient, you know, with this. I'm going to place the same flower, the other ones in one spot. Okay, I'm going to place the ranunculus over here on the back. Or, yeah, I can put it over here on the back. Let me see, because this one is moving. I want this one to be like a mirror my rose. Some people use the floral type on each section that they work, but now, yeah, we can place this one over here. Now I can put, yeah, my rose, my third flower, my other one, and I'm going to wrap this one again because it's going to be easy, more easy to handle and to have all of the flower in the place that I wanted. Okay, for example, the greenery, after you wrap it, is going to be a little bit tricky to move, but yeah, you can do it also. Okay, this is what I want. I want this flower look the rose. Now I'm going to take the ranunculus on the back. I'm going to place with my floral tape again. Okay, just to make sure that she's not going to move. I'm going to place the second one on the other side. Okay, and wrap it again. This lady is not okay. And now I have this one with a little texture. I really like it. Maybe I'm going to place over here. Okay. And with the greenery, I'm going to clean a little bit. If you have to take out some leaf, do it, okay? You don't have to have a lot of greenery over here. But I want this one to match, you know, the bouquet and the centerpieces. It looks different for the other ones, because this one is going to be for the groom. Okay, I think that's it. I just have to move this lady over here, and look, I like it. I like it a lot. You see, this one is going to be the boutonniere. After, you can cut, you know, this part. I really want when the boutonnieres show the part as the same as the bouquet. Okay, if you saw that one. Right now, I'm going to place the ribbon. How am I going to place the ribbon? I'm going to leave like this part because I wanted to make a bow, okay? And no, I'm going to leave a little bit more because I wanted the ribbon to be long. And right now I'm going over here, very close, okay, and tight. You have to be tight. If you want to go all the way down, you can go all the way down. I'm not going to do that because for this one, I'm going up after, you see? I'm going up, up, up. Yeah, I'm going to cut it. Okay. I'm going to tie this with this. You have to hold with the other hand, okay? Because if you don't hold, you can, let me clean this one. And now we can make the bow. Okay. I always like to clean my bowl. And that's it. We have the boutonniere. You see that? It's beautiful, simple, enchanted. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to place this boutonniere to the Grooms suit. Okay? See you until the next video. Subscribe to my channel and I'm going to be more than happy to show you some tips, easy tips about weddings. Thank you so much for watching me.